Hello guys, we have talked about nRF52840 in the previous videos. So 52840 is a latest BLE standard based chipset, and we have talked about the features, the tools available, and or the configurations, the mobile applications that are available. So one more product from NORDIC semiconductor, which is nRF5340, which is the next family from the BLE of NORDIC. So now 5340, basically this is the kit which you will receive when you order for nRF5340. This is called the PDK preview development kit. nRF is still not available, the development kit. NORDIC say that the development kit will be available once the 5340 is in production. So 5340 basically, if you see, it's a versatile Bluetooth based SoC. This basically has a dual processor, Cortex M33 based processor. So one is application processor and another one is a network processor, they call it, operating at maximum 128 MHz basically. So this is mainly used for Bluetooth applications, and you can combine your Bluetooth application with a wide range of user applications as well. It has a 1 MB flash which is high, and you can use it for different applications. So now we have another 5340 PDK in our hand. Let's unbox it. So you receive another 5340 PDK in this form if you order one, and let us unbox that. So this is how you receive it, and you have a clear instructions on this. So while it talks more about the NORDIC information and not about the board itself, we'll just check what is there in the board. We are just trying to unbox this in front of you. So this is how the board looks. Wow. And they have also provided an NFC antenna, so people use it for some of the payment based applications. So when you unbox nRF5340, you receive a external NFC antenna as well. So keeping this antenna aside, so this is how the board looks like. Oh wow, this looks like a complete processor board rather than a simple Bluetooth based board, because if you see here, this is the nRF5340 chipset, which is a dual core SoC. This supports wide range of wireless applications and mesh based applications like the Thread and Zigbee as well. Bluetooth 5.2 is supported by this SoC. NORDIC is one of the leading Bluetooth manufacturer in the world. So they have been doing a wonderful job in providing these chipsets which are used in wide applications across the industry. So this is another one, along with this mesh based and the Bluetooth applications. This also supports Bluetooth direction finding, which is one of the latest one in the market, which is used for inventory based applications. And then other than this, it also supports 2.4 GHz and ANT as well. So one of the versatile chipset you see in the market, and definitely people would love to get hands on this. And if you see here, so as we are showing here, this is a nRF5340 chipset, and you can see here there are the push buttons that are provided, which can be configured on need. And if you see, there are LEDs here which are provided, and this can be used for user programming. And you can see the antenna here, the Bluetooth antenna, the PCB antenna, which is underneath the NORDIC silk screen. And you also have a connector here. So if you want to probe the signal, you can do it using this connector. So a good option. And then the one you see here is the wireless NFC antenna, which we have seen, which is used for security based payments and all in the market. And then this complete section is a Segger J-Link, which is provided for free. So Segger J-Link, this can be used two ways. You can either program your NRF board, or you can also program the external target. So another wonderful option. And then there is a USB input as well, if you see here. So the board shall be connected to the PC and programmed to Segger J-Link using this USB as the input. And also you have the power supply input here. And then also there is a current measurement that can be done using these pins. So there are specific pins that are provided. So this board supports the NRF power profiler kit, which we have discussed on nRF5840. So 5340 also supports the power profiler kit for doing the power measurements, because power is very critical for these IoT based applications, and nRF5340 supports a number of IoT applications. So and another wonderful option which I see for this board is basically the switch, where you can switch between the external power and the RTC coin cell, and RTC coin cell is provided at the back. And this board, as we said, along with power profile kit, there is also support for Arduino 3 option. So the board functionality can be extended using that as well. Along with that, you can see the bunch of lines here, bunch of extended interfaces for the GPIOs or the analog. This supports a 12-bit resolution ADC. So considering that it supports ADC, it supports USB, it supports GPIOs, it has high-speed SPI, QSPI interface as well, which helps to interface the memory. So on board you also have a flash here. So there is an external flash that is connected to this SoC. So the board is full of features, and there is an NRF Connect SDK which is supported, where you can use it for downloading the program, and this uses FIR RTOS. So NORDIC specifically supports this RTOS for all these modules. So you can just give it a try and use this board. So wonderful board to use. There are other features also, simple features which can be used. And one good important thing as a designer, one of the learnings for most of the PCB designers or designers around who does evolution kit, you can see the simple silk screen here. So we generally receive evolution boards from different manufacturers, where you get a big sheet of instructions, or a table of instructions in a separate sheet, whereas everything is simply included here on the board. And if you are using for evolution purposes, this is what you look for, rather than looking for things over net or a separate sheet. You can just use your own board for looking at the thing. So this is one of the good implementations, what we can say. So a versatile board, and there is a CE marking as well for this board. So a good board to use, and I am eager to have hands-on on this. We'll post a lot of videos on how to work with this nRF5340. Stay glued to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos. Please provide your suggestions, comments on our video. Thank you.